Okay, I'm gonna give it a shot playing the upside on the NQ with 3 minis. Let's see. Let's see if it's really wanna hold here. Yeah, I like this level on NQ or the Q. We have a gap up. So far nothing is bearish. So far. We're holding yesterday high. Yesterday high, no matter what, if you're above previous day high, that's bullish. If you're under previous day low, it's bearish. Apple is holding very good. Nvidia is going. Don't know what Microsoft is doing. We cannot come here with a bias. Microsoft is holding very good. We want to see Microsoft breaking yesterday high, which was the point that it got rejected very hard yesterday. 408. That's the level we want to see Microsoft holding. We have data at 10 a.m. Okay, thank you. So I'm gonna get out of before data. Apple is holding 181, so that's bullish. Yeah, Apple looks like it wants to go for the gap. Yep, 184 is the next resistance on Apple. Beautiful, lovely, lovely, beautiful. I'm gonna take one out. Let's just go with two because we have data coming up. But as long as the Q is holding that level, I'm bullish. And Apple 181, I'm bullish today. Yeah, the Q is looking fantastic. We have we're gonna have a little bit of resistance at 426 and then 427. Yeah, we're looking good. Looking pretty good. Look, Apple broke 181. Use it as support. And now it's going. And I'm expecting for Apple to fill the gap. That was a perfect entry. That was perfect entry. Levels, man, levels. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Microsoft is pulling back. How you guys doing so far? So I'm gonna be all out here because data is coming up. That was a cute little trade.